With the expected surge of vehicles to pass through North Luzon Expressway or NLEX, its management has prepared some measures and programs to ensure and maintain smooth flow of traffic in the event of unexpected road or vehicle mishaps. So in return, motorists are advised to ensure both they and their vehicles are in good condition. Ryan Lisigas has a report.
Starting at 1 p.m. tomorrow, the North Luzon Expressway or NLEX will implement a counterflow scheme for vehicles. This will cover the stretch from Marilao to Balintawak exit. According to NLEX, starting tomorrow afternoon, Holy Wednesday, until early morning of Thursday, vehicle volume is expected to increase along NLEX heading out of Metro Manila.
Nagpatupad na rin po kami, sir, ng free towing para sa mga class 1 na motorista to the nearest exit para mas mabilis po yung pag-clear natin ng insidente.
All road construction along the entire expressway has already been suspended.
Sana po maganda rin po sila at i-check nila na nasa tamang kondisyon yung kanilang mga sasakyan at ganun din po sana na yung po pang-drive dapat may sapat na pahinga.
Meanwhile, the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH has also ordered the removal of obstructions along major roads, particularly the Maharlika Highway. DPWH has also temporarily halted road repairs of stop-and-go traffic schemes.
Ang importante is, itong Holy Week, walang magwa one-way. Yun ang kabilin-bilinan natin. No? Kasi yun ang nagpapabagal talaga ng traffic. Pagka nag-one-way na yan, nagsa-stop and go, lalo na pag Holy Week, minsan kilometrong haba ng traffic dyan. And dahil doon, grabe ang konsumo sa gasolina niyan.
According to the Department of Transportation or DOTR, millions of passengers are expected to flock to various terminals, airports, and port areas across the country.
Ang average natin sa paliparan at insofar as NAIA is concerned, 150,000 per day. NAIA po yan. At basically, ganun din ang balik niya, 150. Ang ating PITX po, they're hoping po, no, from March 28 to hanggang Easter Sunday, they're looking mga 3M daw po, ang foot traffic and the passenger there. The same with our mga pantalan, mga 2.6 million po, nationwide din po. So ganyan kadami po ang ating bumabiyahe.
To ensure a peaceful observance of Holy Week, the Philippine National Police or PNP has been placed on full alert status nationwide. Nearly 100,000 police personnel will be deployed to various places of convergence such as churches, tourist spots, terminals, transport hubs, and others. This is on top of nearly 50,000 force multipliers and other units.
Ang trabaho ng PNP is to maintain peace and order. At the same time, ready tayo to respond into dito sa ating emergency responses for public safety.
Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.